Number one news catalyst at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is going to be definitely something to watch and is going to move price. Friday order flow trading for January 27th. The big news flash is T+2 month end. That's an even bigger deal than the 8:30 catalyst because this has all the institutional money that are going to close the books on January. They do it on settlement trade plus 2 days, and that is January 27th. So expect to have other forces that are much larger than retail that move this market on a Friday. And that's one big reason why I've let myself off on doing any trades today whatsoever and just being an observer on the sidelines if I want. And I want at this point. Supply, demand, price action. We're going to go to the charts. I'm Digital Micro. Again, you're on the Digital Micro Trading Channel. Thanks for stopping by. Day trading for ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just a trade journal. 24 hours. So the red arrow's pointing at the algorithm, which is a total algorithm buy signal on the 24-hour. Any mean reversion trades that I might take on a Friday, which I don't plan to take any trades because of T+2 on a Friday, is basically going to be flying in the face of this. So the 9 EMA, that's the other thing. It's pointed steep up. These candle wicks, 1, 2, 3. Notice how, again, just the bids are coming off any kind of lows. And I believe there's just too many shorts basically trapped that is helping this lift here. And we've had recent people flooding institutional and retail buyers coming into the market the last 2 weeks. Middle Bollinger Band pointed up. Again, it's miles away at 1846. And the 2023 anchored VWAP at 1848. So again, we're closing out the month technically on T+2 Friday, and if we have a 3-day average range of 32 handles and the overnight pivot is 6.4, then I'm just going to add 25 to 30 handles above that to see where we can land. So I'll be watching this chart for reference, but not going to do anything else of navigating a trade entry from it. Reference only. Next chart. So the 120, what this is really speaking to is this overnight pivot level at 6.4. Note how many candles have tagged this, and we're going all the way back to January 23rd. So we had a tag there and then just a cluster of tags, and we're just got a price balance. So that leads to the two red arrows with narrowing Bollinger Bands. That's a total patience, hands off. Got to have discipline, got to have patience. I'm not going to do a thing here until we get the news 1 hour before. But again, cumulative delta on the order flow showing green. We're neutral here on the strength of the hits. So again, thank goodness I've got this 120 showing me not a good place. I want to be navigating as far from the overnight pivot as possible, and it's just not happening right now. Next chart. Okay, this is my money chart, the Renko-Keltner, and here we are in deep Europe Globex Friday, T+2, and you can see here from the RTH close how traders got this up, and this is wholesale, totally taking it above the blue Keltner, top blue, and here's Asia. Asia's just totally hugging this overnight pivot. We go down, kiss the red line, middle on the Keltner. And again, the lower Keltner at 1895 and upper Keltner 1913.5. So again, confirming the 120 here, just too close to the red, too close to the overnight pivot. We've got no escape velocity. It's total hands off. I'm going to go to the last chart and just talk about structure, and we'll wrap. Market profile left, or we start Monday off, and we have this initial first period of where the red arrow is single print. So trap shorts here totally. And you can see this zone is only violated on Wednesday, where we go all the way down to a cost basis from January of last Friday, We don't really go and violate too much into that, and we come a back up above, and we trap more shorts in this zone. So I've got two zones for trap traders being short. And we come up to Thursday and we reach a high, then we have an up thrust, we come down, we close, and here we are Friday, Globex. So where are we? We are having one thing of balance here below the overnight pivot where we've had a lot of cost basis basically for wholesale, and it's on the backs of the trap shorts below. I've highlighted this zone is there's a market profile action. So the action came from Thursday, RTH, Thursday, Globex. You see a lot of Tuesday, RTH, a lot of point of control action there, point of control on Thursday, Globex. And then we had a lot of traders in different time frames doing Monday RTH and Tuesday Globex. It all adds up to, again, this is a cost basis area, and if we get a close today below this zone, we'll have trap longs. So we'll see. Since I'm not obligated to take one trade even on this Friday T+2, I'm just going to observe and watch and look at the ranges. So there you have it. That's a wrap for the order flow market profile structure and my personal thesis on what's happening. Trade them well, and make sure you have your risk discipline on. Aloha, take care.